Dear students, we have with us today a very special guest, the Honorable Judge of the Supreme Court of India, Justice Ujjwal Bhuiyan. A warm welcome to you, sir.
And also place their views online. That is how his ways of creating new historic approach.
A very good morning to all of you. I'm very happy and rather pleasantly surprised by the university, the infrastructure which has come up in the university. This auditorium is a wonderful auditorium, and the best part of the auditorium is that there are no pillars in between to obstruct the views. So, and it's a beautiful acoustics we have here. So, it's very nice and a pleasant surprise for me to be here in USTM University. A university is not only a place of higher learning, but it is a place where youthful minds interact and blossom. New thoughts, new ideas germinate in the campuses of the universities, uninfluenced by the complexities of the real world outside the campus. I'm confident that in due course of time, USTM University will become a leading center of knowledge, not only in the country, but its name and fame will spread beyond the frontiers of the country. I have noticed that entrants into the judicial service of the respective states are more than 50%. We talk about women's reservation, the 33%, but they have crossed more than 50, 60, 70%. These articles would remain relevant and important so long as the Constitution is in place. Only if the Constitution is in place, these articles 14, 19, 21 will remain relevant. For these articles to flourish in their truest sense, it is necessary that the Constitution retains its basic elements and not get replaced by another constitution altogether.
Interpretation and the erudite manner in lucid language that you have conveyed will remain, I believe.
Janagana mana adhinayak jaya hai, Bharat bhagya vidhata.